pick upin natin itong Paskong handog ng Taguig. Ay, dito ako. Okay. As you know. Nagsasara ba yung office pag alas 12?
Hindi naman, sir.
Okay.
Hindi naman.
Sige. Thank you. Okay. Yan. Thursday. Okay, morning.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. So every year itong Taguig nagbibigay ng parang goodies na dito sila ate, dalawa yan. Ano yan? Yun isa kayong sako? Oo, mamaya na. Damo na ako sa opisina. Kaya kunan ko lang. Yan. Ang bigay ng Taguig. Ha? Taguig government. Bayad muna tayo ng homeowner dues natin since we are living before Christmas. Pasok tayo sa office. Engineering. Cashless admin.
Ano lang, sir?
Yung ang sako, saka merong goodies pag owner daw. Pag tenant, yan lang. Thank you sa ating mga workers ng Taguig. Pang ano nyo.
Wow,
Wala?
thank you po.
Ito sa akin na.
Opo, sir.
Sige, thank you. So these are the giveaways, the Christmas giveaways from Taguig government. If you are a resident of Taguig, you get this. You have a sack of 10 kilograms rice, and you get this assorted groceries on a very beautiful box. Let's go check to see what's inside. Ayan. Ay, nabuksan na. Okay, so unboxing, we have spaghetti sauce. Spaghetti sauce, and of course spaghetti, Oreo. We have hot cake mix, gel. I think this is butter. Eden. And mga dilata. We have corned beef. Dalawang corned beef. And we have meatloaf. 1, 2, tatlong meatloaf. 1 condensada. and fruit cocktail from Gold. Okay, and that's it. That's the unboxing. Thank you, Taguig government, for giving us this Christmas gift.